Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a soft glam drugstore makeup look. Everything I used in this look is drugstore except for the lip. The lip I purchased at the local department store. And well, if you are interested in seeing how I achieved this look, please keep watching. I did my brows off camera to speed up the process a little bit. I'm taking the Dewy and Smooth Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 360. I think that's cappuccino. And I'm just going to take my Wet n Wild foundation brush. That's what I call it. I don't know the proper name. And I'm going to apply that product all over my face. And let me just apologize now because I was using a light and I kept turning it on and off because the lighting wasn't the way I wanted it. I'm going in with my beauty blender and I'm just pressing the rest of that foundation that's on my skin in my skin. And the good thing about a beauty blender is that it can pick up whatever's left. Then I'm going to take that air spun what is it, setting powder? Oh, it's so dusty, yeah. I'm taking that and I'm just going to set my eyelids, and basically I just drug my concealer down from under my brows. So I'm just going to set that so my eyes will be good and ready for the eyeshadow that we're going to be using. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. It has pretty good colors. And the first color I'm going to go in with is this one. And I'm just going to use that, fill it into my crease area. It's kind of glittery. Yeah. I'm going to take this flat brush right here. This is like one of the first brushes I ever bought in my whole life. And I'm just going to take some Garnier Soothing Facial Mist. Guys, if you don't have this, get it. Like, it's great. And I'm just going to spray the brush each side. And I'm going to grab that pinky color that I said, and put that on my lid. So I feel as though this color doesn't show bright enough for me. So I'm going to go in with, which color? I think this is the color that I had on. I think I'm just going to jump over and put this one on top of it. And we'll see how that works out for us. So now I'm just going to grab this color. And I'm going to do it on my outer area and a little bit in on my lid to meet that, and then just blend it into the crease. Then I went in with the original transition color that I had and kind of blended it all together. There go the lights again, because I really wanted you guys to see that. But yeah, and then I just went back with the transition color after I did this on this eye and blended it all together so it wouldn't be a mess. And then I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toast to highlight underneath my eyes. And I'm highlighting in the other normal areas, your forehead, bridge of the nose, above your lip, and your chin. And I'm taking the e.l.f. complexion sponge, and I'm going to blend that all out. And I'm also using that concealer to like clean up the eyeshadow that fell on my face. I have to say on this palette, it's not a lot of fallout, but the again, the colors aren't as pigmented as I would have liked. So I'm done highlighting, blending in the highlight under my eyes. I'm just going in and doing the other areas on my face, forehead, nose, chin, above the lip, and just touching up under my eye. I don't like a bright, for this look, I don't think a bright highlight would have been great. I think it would have been too much since it's a soft glam look. And then you see, I showed you guys I'm using the air spun. You could purchase it at Walmart. It was the very first powder, translucent powder or setting powder or whatever that I purchased. And I haven't used it in a while, but it still works great. And I'm just going to use my beauty blender, as you can see, and I'm pressing that into my face so it'll make sure none of that concealer moves during the day. I don't have oily skin, so normally I have normal to combination skin sometimes. So I don't really have an issue with my makeup moving, but a little insurance never hurt. That is a Black Radiance concealer stick. I will list the color down below. And contour stick, I'm sorry. It's a concealer stick, but I'm using it as contour. And I'm just going to go in and contour my normal areas. I said this before, but I'm going to say it again, y'all. Don't come for my wig. I did the look, and then I'm going to go and tighten my wig up and come back. But this is 3 days wearing the wig, so there should be, well, not should be, but due to taking makeup off every night and such, of course there's going to be lifting. And I'm taking that same Wet n Wild foundation brush. I sprayed it, and I'm just going to blend out that contour color, which that is really not a contour color because it's really close to my skin tone. But with using that air spun powder, I think it looks good. So I'm just going to blend that in the normal areas like so. I'm going to use that air spun to chisel out my cheekbones a little further on each side, of course. I miss air spun. I loved how that worked for me in the beginning. Yep, so now I'm doing it on the other side. Take my True Complexion contour palette. I think that's from Black Radiance 2, medium deep. And I'm just going to set that contour that I did with the darkest powder in that palette. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to blend out my nose contour. Then I'm going to take that middle color that I showed you guys just now, and I'm going to use that to wipe off the rest of the air spun powder that I put on. I think it tones it down a little bit so it won't be so bright compared to just dusting it off and leaving it as is. I'm going to place that pencil on my waterline. And I also wanted to say that you know how you can put the colors of your eyeshadow on your lower lash line. I don't really do that often. I think I did it maybe twice in the whole time that I wear makeup. Like on me, I don't like. Maybe I need to get different brushes because I don't like the way it comes out. To me, it just looks smudgy and dirty. So, for lack of a better word, so I don't even bother doing that. So I'm taking the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. It comes in a little pomade, and I am just going to line my lash line. You know, I'm not going to be putting lashes on, so I'm just going to take my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. I maybe should have did a little more than that, but yeah. I'm taking this L'Oreal Palace, the lash fibers, and I'm going to coat my lashes with that. I keep trying to get more of the mascara in that tube. It's always sold out, always. And I really need to move on. And you know what? I'm going to try Ulta. I'll put an Ulta order in and maybe I can get it. But I'm going to I have Wet n Wild mascara. I'm not happy with it. You guys will see why in a little while. It's just clumpy. But I'm going to put a coat of it on my lashes. I'm also going to put a coat of it on my lower lashes. Make them pop. Like, I have very nice natural lashes. I just need to get a better mascara. I'm taking that Garnier Fructis Refreshing spray. It's like rose water, and spraying that on my face so it can set a little bit, calm it down a little bit, because I had a lot going on. I'm using that hard candy highlighter. Listen, I've had that highlighter forever. Oh, yeah. I'm going to blend that out. I've had that highlighter forever. Like, there's no hitting pan on it. And I do use it, like, often, let's just say. So, but there is no, I have to always put it on and then tone it down some because it gives you a glow for real. See, this is why you don't need to be on the phone while you're trying to do something. Because I went ham with that highlighter. Ham. But I'm placing more of it underneath my eyebrows, bridge of my nose. But you see, I'm going to blend all of that out because if not, I would be looking nuts. And I'm damn sure not giving you multiple opportunities to hurt my feelings. Like, my feelings are everything to me. So, like, now I understand that he may feel a certain way. You know, I appreciate that. I do. But am I going back? Like, no, you hurt my feelings. And I feel like this, y'all. If somebody really wants to be with you, they could say it all day, every day, but prove it. Yeah. All you got to do is prove it. So he's like, yeah, I'm going to prove it, whatever, whatever. So we'll see. So I'm just going to pop some of this Bright Behind highlighter in my tear duct. But I'm sorry about that rant too. I was on the phone this whole video basically with my ex, and he's saying he wants us to get back together. And that was just my little rant on him real quick. But it's all right because I'm going to spray my face. This highlighter is bomb, but when I tell you it is strong, child. All right, so let's line. One, let me tell y'all, this pencil is not glidable. Is glidable a word? Love it. Love it. Love it. So this is pretty much the final look for my soft glam drugstore edition. This is pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed my little tutorial. I'm literally not going anywhere today. So after this video, I am just gonna wash this face off probably. I hope you guys stay safe. I hope that you will be seeing me soon. And please, as always, I ask, like, comment, and subscribe. Even if y'all don't subscribe, give me a like or a dislike or a comment. Let me know what you're thinking about my looks. Like, I want to create content that you guys like and you want to come back twice a week to see. So please, again, like and comment, and hopefully you'll subscribe. Until next time, stay safe. Bye.